Hi everyone, I'm John. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the audio, the sound problem. I had a user today that he was having problem that he was using a laptop with a docking station, but somehow the laptop itself has the sound no problem. But when he uh, put it on the dock, and then there is no sound from the computer. So I did a lot of troubleshoot to isolate it and found out it has to be the duck related. So that's why I make this video. If you have the same problem using a laptop with a duck that you have no problem with the laptop itself, but when you put it in the dock and then no sound. So if that's the case for you, you need to go into the control panel. So I'm using Windows 8.1 now, so I'm going to right click my start button here, go to control panel, and then go to sound. I'm gonna go to sound, open sound. And you should see some of these audio driver installed in here. So you can choose, for my case, um, he he only had like two options here, not like me on my computer had like five in here. So he had only like two options here, and the other one was checked with a green button like this. And when I choose another one, change to another one, and then the sound came out no problem. So it fixed his problem. So I think it's kind of tricky. So if you have the same problem, you should check here. And of course that you should see the sound. The speaker has no problem here at first. If you open up Mixer and you see they are not all mute, they're all normal, but somehow there's no sound. So you have to check into the control panel and see, and I mean the sound, and then check one of these options. It should fix the problem. Okay, that's it. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I see you in next video.